Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the start of our Christmas celebrations, Ringwood Town Winter Wonderland. I can hear Santa. He's on his way with his band of youthful elves any moment now. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in the interest of brevity, circumstances as they are, we will ask Santa with the magic switch to put on our wonderful lights. We will only count down from 5 after Santa's quick words.
How wonderful to be in Ringwood again at Christmas. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Now, the important thing to remember is although we won't be meeting you in the Market Square Christmas Eve, Father Christmas will definitely be coming Christmas Eve night. So you make sure you're all topped up with your stockings prepared, and I will be there sometime. So now it's time to switch the lights on. Are you ready?
Then elves, are you ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.